Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to sort your Spotify Wrapped playlist. Is it by album, by artist, by newly added, and yeah. So first we're going to start by going on your Spotify Wrapped playlist. It should be on your home screen, as you can see. Mine is not. So all I have to do is click on the search icon that's on the bottom of my screen. So there's a home and then there's the search icon. We're going to click on the search icon. And this will bring us to here. So right under the search bar, there's a browse all option. And right under that, there's 2022 Wrapped. So we're going to click on that. And you have options here from the top artist of 2022, the top tracks, the top groups, etc., etc. So we're going to click on Rock This Present's Best Rock and Alt Songs of 2022. We're going to click on that. And well, all you have to do is drag this down. So you're going to drag it down and you have find in playlist and sort. So we're going to click on the sort that is on the top right corner. And you can sort it by custom order, title, artist, album, recently added. We're going to sort it by artist. And now it's sorted. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.